Hello everyone, welcome to Gurukul Kurukshetra online classes. I am Bhim. Today in this video you will learn about the remaining part of our first chapter, that is resources and development. In this video our topic is land resources. Land resource is a very important natural resource as the supports natural vegetation, wildlife, human life, various economic activity, transport and communication system, etc. So it needs to be used with the care of concern as it finite in extent. The total area of India, that is 3.28 million lakh square kilometer. Land in India 43% occupy and as term as plain, which is for agriculture and industry, and 30% of its part mountain, which ensure potential flow of some rivers and provide sites for tourism and ecological aspects. Another 27% constitute plateaus. Plateaus, which is source of minerals, fossil fuels and forests. So out of total area, geographical area of India, the land utilization categorized as in the following ways. Number one, forest. Number two, land not available for cultivation. Number three, other uncultivated land, excluding fallow land. Number four is fallow land. And last, your net shown area. First is forest under forest area in India. In the category of land not available for cultivation, it includes barren land and wasteland, land put to not agriculture uses like road, buildings, etc. In the third category, that other अनकल्टिवेटेड एरिया, ऐसा एरिया जिसके ऊपर अब कोई एग्रीकल्चर नहीं होती, एक्सक्लूडिंग फैलो लैंड. नाउ व्हाट इज फैलो लैंड? फैलो लैंड आल्सो कैटेगराइज इन टू वे. वन इज करंट फैलो लैंड एंड अनदर इज योर अदर देन करंट फैलो. फैलो लैंड इज जो प्यारे बच्चों, जो हम जो लैंड है वो 1 साल के लिए, जो या 2 साल के लिए या 3 साल या 5 साल के लिए जो खाली छोड़ देते हैं, जिसके अंदर कोई एग्रीकल्चर नहीं करते, उसको हम फैलो लैंड कहते हैं. 1 साल तक अगर कोई हम लैंड खाली छोड़ते हैं, उसको करंट फैलो लैंड कहा जाता है. एंड अदर देन करंट फैलो लैंड, जो 1 से 5 साल के लिए आपकी जमीन जो खाली छोड़ी जाती है, उसको हम अदर देन करंट फैलो लैंड. अदर अनकल्टिवेटेड लैंड एक्सक्लूडिंग फैलो लैंड मीन्स फैलो लैंड को छोड़ के जो अदर अनकल्टिवेटेड है वो क्या है? Permanent pasture grazing land, land under masculinist tree crops and grows includes. Now what is net sown area? Net sown area shown in a once in a year, that is known as net sown area. And with this area sown more than once in a year and plus net sown area, that is known as your gross cropped area. Let us understand land use pattern in India. What type of land use pattern in India? And land use pattern determined by various factor, physical factor and your human factor also. In India, land use pattern, this picture showing your land use pattern from 1960, 61 to 2014 and 15. All category shows the different type of pattern as earlier and as in 2014 and 15. Forest area increasing, under the forest area increasing by the 2014 and 15. It is the national forest due to the national forest policy. And land under permanent pasture lands is very low and still decreasing. It will not be able to properly feed to who's. And you may observe that your net shown area, look at this big figure, that is the major concern of about this pattern of land use pattern. This figure is reducing by 2014 and 15, only 1% point, but it is a very large portion of India. Why? Because of growing population, day by day increasing your population, uh, land net shown area is also decreasing. Next is land degradation and conservation measures. Cause of land degradation. The various cause of land degradation. What is fast? That is deforestation, soil erosion by wind and water, and including glacier also. Next is mining activities. Next is your industrialization. How industrialization at present in the modern era, modern technological era, industrialization become a major problem. Also, land degradation, unsuitable agriculture, urban expansion. It is also a factor that is cause of land degradation. Urban expansion, we can say here your urbanization, growing of urban population, that is known as your urban expansion. Let us discuss one by one land cause of land degradation. First is mining activity. Mining activities like your area, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, West Bengal. In these areas, mining due to mining activities, land degraded, and deforestation in Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, and Odisha also facing the problem of deforestation, land degradation. Next is mineral processing and your industrial efficient, which is flowing through the your rivers, and an example of your you can see overgrazing also cause of land degradation in Gujarat and Rajasthan. An example of over irrigation. Irrigation is also a major factor that is for land degradation. State Punjab, Haryana, and Uttar Pradesh here due to over irrigation land degraded. Now come on the topic that is conservation of land. How we can conserve our land with the help of various methods. That is, first is afforestation. We plant many trees in different areas. We can conserve our land. The help of plant of shelter belts, we can grow plants in between the crops. We can conserve our land. This method also, and controlling overgrazing, stabilization, sand dunes, and management of wasteland, controlling mining activities, proper disposal of wastage emitted by the industrial areas, conserve our land, and it is very essential for us because 95% of our needs that we obtain from land. So in the series of land resource, now come on the topic that is soil as a resource. Soil as a resource, soil is most important renewable natural resource. It is the medium of plant growth and supports different type of living organism on the earth. The soil is a living system. It takes millions of years to form soil up to a few centimeters in depth. They leave parent rocks and bedrocks, climate, vegetation, and other forms of life are time are important factor in the formation of soil. So various forces of nature such as change in temperature, action of running water, wind and glaciers, activities of decomposers, etc. contributed to the formation of soil. Now, classification of soil with the help of their color, their thickness, and their texture, age, and chemical and physical property, we can classify soil in different types. That is your alluvial soil, black soil, red soil, laterite soil, arid soil, and your forest. Sorry, this is also known as your mountain soil. Let us understand one by one in detail about this whole soil. First of all, your alluvial soil. This soil most widespread soil in India, which spread over the 7 lakh square kilometer in India, and it is most important soil for agriculture, and it is found in our Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Punjab, Haryana. Due to its high fertility, area having this soil are intensively cultivated and densely populated area of where there alluvial soil. Next is black soil. Black soil, this is also known as your rugged soil. uh, this soil found in your state Gujarat, Maharashtra, and it is black in color, ideal for the growing for cotton crops. And this soil cover the plateau area of Saurashtra, yani your Gujarat, Maharashtra, Malwa, and Madhya Pradesh. Chhattisgarh also lie along the valley of Godavari and Krishna River. Red and yellow soil. It is red in color and cover 10.6% of India's total geographical area. The red color of this type of soil due to diffusion of iron particles into the crystalline and metamorphic rocks in low rainfall area of Deccan Plateau. It turn yellow is the hydrated form. It is found in the part of state of Tamil Nadu, Odisha, Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, and the Chota Nagpur Plateau area, Chhattisgarh and Jharkhand. Laterite soil. The word laterite has been derived from the Latin word later, which means brick. It covers about 7.2% total geographical area of India, and it developed in the area of where the high temperature and high rainfall occur, resulting the increasing leaching due to the heavy rain. And this type of soil found in state of Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Madhya Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, and the hilly area of Odisha and Assam. Arid soil. This soil cover about 4% of total geographical area of India. It is sandy in texture, red in brown, and this color and saline in nature. In some area, common salt obtained from this soil due to evaporation of water. This type of soil found in western part of Rajasthan, northern Gujarat, and southern part of forest soil. This is also known as your mountainous soil. The texture vary mountain environment where it is found. The loamy and silty valley sides coats thin due to the upper slope. Due to lack of forest cover, it is snow-covered areas. Himalayas soil are acidic with the low humus. This type of soil found in your Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, and Arunachal. Come on the topic that is soil erosion and soil conservation. The denudation of the soil cover and subsequent washing down the described as soil erosion. The process of soil formation and erosion go on simultaneously, and generally there is a balance between. Sometimes this balance is distributed due to the human activities like deforestation, overgrazing, construction and mining, etc., while natural force like wind, glacier and water led to the cause of soil erosion. Here two terms, that gully erosion and sheet erosion. Type of gully erosion, प्यारे बच्चों, जब ड्यू टू रेनफॉल ये लैंड में से जब ये मिट्टी निकल जाती है, पानी इसको अपने साथ बहा के ले जाता है और इस टाइप का जो फीचर्स क्रिएट हो जाता है, उसको हम जो है गली इरोजन। इस तरह के फीचर्स जो है आपको चंबल घाटी, चंबल एरियाज के अंदर, जो चंबल रीजन है मध्य प्रदेश में, चंबल की जो घाटी है वहां पर आपको देखने को जो है मिलता है। एंड सीट इरोजन, व्हाट इज सीट इरोजन? जब आपकी जो टॉप लेयर है, पूरी जो टॉप लेयर वॉश आउट हो जाए, पूरी जो सोयल है वाटर या विंड या फिर कोई ग्लेशियर आपका पूरा बहा कर ले जाए मिट्टी को, उसको हम जो है शीट इरोजन। एंड these are the some methods, these are the some method of soil conservation. Due to this technique we can conserve our soil in a good manner. First is contour plugging. Contour plugging, due to this type of plugging, contour plugging, we can control the soil erosion. Next is your terrace cultivation. This type of practice is practiced in hilly areas like your we can say सीढ़ी नुमा खेती। इस तरह की अगर एग्रीकल्चर अगर हम करते हैं हिली एरियाज के अंदर, तो यहाँ पर हम सोइल को कंजर्व कर सकते हैं। अनदर मेथड इज शेल्टर बेल्ट्स। अगर हम खेत के किनारों के ऊपर पौधे लगाकर को के भी जो है सोइल के इरोजन को जो है कम कर सकते हैं। एंड स्टेबलाइजेशन ऑफ सैंड ड्यून्स, जो सैंड ड्यून्स हैं वहां पर थ्रोनी बुशेस वेजिटेशन है उसको लगाकर हम वहां से जो है जो डेजर्ट एरिया है वहां पर सोइल कंजर्वेशन कर। सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द कंटेंट which is remaining part of your first chapter. I hope you clearly understand the content. Thank you. Have a nice day.